This beautiful bird is one of the most dangerous birds on Earth. Like and subscribe for animal facts that are cute but deadly. Stay till the end because the last fact explains why people fear this bird. Cassowaries are large, flightless birds that live in the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea. They have a sharp, dagger-like claw on each foot that can grow up to 5 inches long. When threatened, cassowaries can jump and kick forward with powerful legs. That kick is strong enough to seriously injure predators or humans. And because of those claws and powerful attacks, cassowaries are often called the most dangerous birds in the world. Beautiful, ancient, and terrifyingly powerful.